Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the S-5Z clamp. So this clamp is used to connect ColorGard snow fence to standing seam metal roofs, and in particular, bulb seams. This clamp only works with a bulb diameter of 7/8 of an inch or less. It would go right over the top of the seam. Insert would then be added. 2 set screws will come in on the side. Set screw torque ratings are typically between 11 and 15 foot-pounds, though it's panel specific. It'll connect to the snow fence using a VersaClip and an M8 bolt that'll fasten into the top here. Each minor box of clamps is going to come with S-5's installation instructions. This is going to have helpful tips as far as installation of the clamps, as well as the panel-specific torque ratings. If you have any questions, our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com, and our phone number is 720-379-7756. Thank you.